Hey guys, this is just gonna be a tutorial slash oh god, I need help with how to put your chain back on your bike. I guess step one here would be to turn the bike upside down. I think I've seen Joel do this once. You just turn that. Okay, perfect. I'm pretty sure you can rip your fingers off doing this, and I don't really want to do that. Probably need two hands for this. Hold on 1 second. Alright, let's try this now. This is my awesome rig. It didn't work. Okay. I got it on there. Okay, that was easy enough. That was so cool. I did it. Does that work? Yes. Wait, is that the wrong way? I don't know. I did it! Alright guys, we'll just fix a bike chain. No biggie. Pretty cool. Haha.